Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Scorpios. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what is coming up for Scorpios today. I'll be picking a few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be picking and I'll be giving a message from your person at last. It is what your person feels or what you feel towards your person. Temperance. Five of Swords. Okay. Wheel of Fortune. The Hangman. Four of Cups. Scorpios, with these cards, I feel you are at a very good place in your professional life. Things are going as you wish for, okay? And major changes have been happening in your life for the past few months. You feel destiny is playing its part in your life, okay? Things are changing. What to say, to that extent that you feel it is fate, guys, uh, because of the changes happening in your life. And you feel you have that insight into things. Whatever is happening every day, you just know what is going to happen. Some kind of intuition is working, and you are trying to be moderate with things, maybe in your day to day life, how you lead your life, maybe some kind of activities like shopping, or what to say, um, if you're planning for something, you're going for everything in moderation, and you're trying to manage your resources, maybe your time, and how you spend it. So you're trying to manage everything. So you are feeling that, what to say, you have that feeling within yourself that uh, yesterday was the same as today. Some kind of weariness, or what to say, tiredness, some kind of boredom is there. um, you are, what to say, used to the things happening every day. So that kind of energy is there. So maybe for some of you all, you feel nothing is interesting. Everything happens in the same old pattern. Maybe you are feeling that. But in your professional life, in your work, or in those areas, you are very successful. Maybe this may be the energy regarding your relationship or work. You may feel you're doing the same things again and again. You are feeling some kind of boredom. That may be the energy here. Even though when things are going in such a good way, day after day, uh, when everything is the same, when everything goes in the same way, even if it is good, it may cause a boredom, guys. So too much of anything also may not be good, even if it is a very good what to say, opportunity in your office. The how things are turning out, maybe you're very successful in your work, and even in your relationship you have everything you wish for. So when everything goes in the same way, same aligned, sometimes we feel the boredom. So that may be the energy here. So I'll be picking out more cards from the other deck. Let's see what is coming up, guys. What is the reason for this kind of energy? With these cards, Scorpios, I feel the reason for your weariness or some kind of doubt, some kind of emotional stress. Maybe you may be waiting for some kind of announcement, and it is yet to come, guys. So that may be the reason you're waiting for some kind of promotion, or in your relationship maybe you're expecting to your person to come towards you or propose to you. That may also be the energy here. So things are, I think those things may not be happening as you had wished for. You wish for a, what to say, a stable, secure relationship, and uh, with contentment, happiness. Okay, so maybe few of you all have it, maybe few of you all are expecting that to happen. Okay, that may also be the reason for this weariness. Though you have everything in other areas in your life, though you are fully satisfied in your other areas, maybe for some of you all this may be the energy regarding your work and you're happy with your relationship, or for some of you all you may be happy with your work and this may be the energy regarding your relationship, guys. So you're expecting that quality time with your person, and you are expecting that kind of bonding and commitment in this relationship. Maybe that may be the reason for this weariness or boredom, that it is not happening the way you had wished for, Scorpios. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So I think your person, this may be your person's energy or your energy, guys. They may feel this, or this is your energy. Maybe for some of you all they are feeling bored without you. They are far away somewhere, they are in a distant relationship. Maybe that may be the reason they are feeling this boredom, or you're feeling bored because your person is away. That may also be true, guys. Let me pick out two cards from this message deck, guys. Let's see what is coming up. This is what your person feels about you, or what you feel about your person. You bring peace to me. Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. I can lose myself in the depth of your eyes. Maybe if you are in a long distance relationship, this person is missing you a lot, guys. They are thinking of you all the time, or this may be your energy towards your person, and they think of the days they have spent, they spent with you, the time they spent with you, and they are reflecting on the memories, and they are feeling that happiness and contentment they felt in this relationship, guys. So that is the energy here, guys. That is the message from your person. This is the way they feel about you, Scorpios. So this boredom or weariness may be because of your distant relationship, and maybe you're waiting for some kind of important announcement, guys, or you are expecting something more in your day-to-day life, in your relationship. So that may be the reason, guys. So this is the reading, Scorpios, for today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Scorpios.